in the year 2024, I actually joined, na-appoint ako sa PRA early 2024. By the end of 2024, we were able to achieve 99% of our target.
Okay.
And then sa last year, we got about 93% of our
Alright.
target.
Okay.
It's about 4,000 foreign retirees. This year, we hope to make it bigger
Okay.
because we have lowered the retirement age to 40.
Oh, in fairness, 93%, mataas-taas na rin po yun, Sir Bob. Speaking of, saan-saang lugar po yung maituturing nating retirement hubs sa bansa? Meron din po ba tayong mga emerging retirement hubs?
Yeah. Actually, most of our retirees, mas marami sa kanila are concentrated sa Metro Manila area. Metro Manila. Kasi yung mga retirees kasi pagdating dito, ang unang mga questions nila is they must be near a hospital.
Okay.
Of course, kailangan nila malapit sa hospital because of their age. Second, they must be near a shopping mall.
Yes.
Tapos the third requirement, and the third is they must be near a golf course. So yun yung mga preferences nila. Kaya most of them are in Metro Manila area. Tapos ang second highest concentration would be in Central Visayas,
Okay.
particularly Cebu. And then the third would be Central Luzon in the Clark Angeles area.
Okay.
So yun yung top 3 destinations ng mga foreign retirees natin.
Oo, Cebu, Clark, and of course dito sa Metro Manila kung saan malapit ang mga malls and golf courses. Ito pala yung mga target ng ating mga foreign retirees. But we have been focusing po dun sa foreign retirees. Itanong ko na rin po kasi ang Radyo Pilipinas World Service, we cater